Hi everyone. Today we're talking about the most critical part of paint protection film, the coating layer. It not only defines the visual appeal of the film but also determines its durability, protection level, and overall user experience. Coating composition and types. A PPF typically consists of release liners, functional coatings, adhesive layers, and a TPU base film. The coating provides hydrophobicity, stain resistance, and self-healing. Poor quality coatings can crack, peel, and develop orange peel or yellowing. Functionally, coatings can be cold healing, heat healing, or instant healing. Surfaces can be hydrophilic or hydrophobic, and finishes can be matte or glossy. Self-healing technology. Most self-healing coatings today are made of polyurethane acrylate, using hydrogen bonds dynamic reversibility to repair scratches. This structure provides both strength and the ability to recover when exposed to heat, water, or light. Key performance enhancements. Hydrolysis resistance. Adding methyl and long-chain monomers significantly reduces damage caused by hydrolysis. Anti-yellowing. Avoiding aromatic monomers and adding UV absorbers effectively delays UV-induced yellowing. Outdoor durability. Maintaining special functional monomers and adding water-repellent agents improves stain resistance and weatherability. Quick testing methods. Self-healing test. Scratch the film, pour 70 degrees Celsius water or heat it. Quality coatings will heal rapidly. Texture test. Stretch the film, the finer the texture, the better the coating. Hydrophobicity test. If water beads slide off quickly with minimal adhesion, it's a top-grade hydrophobic coating. Global market insights. In premium Western markets, low haze, high gloss, and long-term anti-yellowing are must-haves. In Southeast Asia and the Middle East, hydrophobicity and heat resistance matter more. If you want to know how to choose the best PPF coating for your market and climate, follow us for more global PPF technology and sourcing insights.